Accelerate, I would typically experience some kind of anxiety or mood swing. Since taking the product, I haven't taken any over-the-counter medications or prescription, just generally a happier person.
I was probably having anxiety or panic attacks every 4 or 5 days, and I have not had one depressive thought. I have not been anxious. I have not been jittery. First time I took this pill, I didn't know what to do with myself. It just felt good, clear-headed. I felt focused. There was like a drive inside of me all of a sudden. I was just excited. I was like, is this for real?
Definitely know that the Elevate not only gives me energy, not only gives me the vitamins I need for my body, but it helps me with my mood, and you know what? It makes my husband happy.
George's Power Pack. Order now and receive free gift Be Slim. Refreshing weight loss tablets. Accelerate, elevate, and Be Slim. Order now at healthylooking.com or 800-394-9930. Don't forget promo code George for free shipping. That's 800-394-9930 or healthylooking.com.
If you want to improve your marksmanship, you need a Mantis X. The Mantis X can improve your abilities dramatically and is a must-have for every responsible gun owner, and I want to stress.
Give me